Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk reset users' passwords in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. As organizations grow, IT administrators often need to reset multiple user passwords due to security policies, compliance requirements, or account recovery needs. Manually resetting passwords for each user through the Google Admin Console is time-consuming and inefficient. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in, a powerful automation platform designed specifically for administrators to efficiently reset user passwords in bulk in Google Workspace. You can quickly update multiple user passwords at once, ensuring security compliance and minimizing downtime. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Bulk Reset User Passwords and click on it. In the Bulk Reset User Passwords page, click Copy Rule. For the first time, use of the template rule and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Reset User Passwords will display. Click Next. Click on Email Action. In the Email Action, in the subject field, customize the subject line as required. In the email body, customize the company name and relevant details. Click Review. In Rule Name, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight streamlines and automates bulk password resets, ensuring efficiency, security, and accuracy. Go to the Templates page. Search the Bulk Reset Users Passwords template and click on it. Click on the Download Sample CSV File button. In the downloaded CSV file, replace the sample data with the actual primary email addresses of the users whose passwords you need to reset in Google Workspace. Go to the Rules page. Click on the Upload icon of Bulk Reset Users Passwords rule. Select the CSV file to upload. Wait for the CSV file to be processed and receive a notification in the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task xFanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. If the user does not have a secondary work email, the system will notify the admin to update the user's secondary work email address in the Google Admin Console. Sign into the admin's Gmail account and verify that the admin received the email regarding the user's secondary work email address update. If the user has a secondary work email configured, a password reset update will be sent to their Gmail account. Sign into the user's Gmail account to verify that the email regarding the password reset has been successfully received. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.